Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I am going to show you all how I wash my rugs, specifically the woven rugs around my house, because they are a little bit more delicate and so they're a little bit more difficult to wash compared to the fluffier rugs around my house. So I'm going to show you all how I wash them at home using three things: a pressure washer, detergent, and a brush. And that's really all you need. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Alondra and I post videos on home and lifestyle. So if you like those type of videos, then don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you be part of my channel. And also don't forget to like this video because it really does show me what type of videos you all enjoy watching, and it also supports my channel so much. So with that being said, let's go ahead and show you all how I wash these rugs. I have my rugs here that I'm going to wash. This one I've washed about twice and it is really dirty at the moment, so it really needs a deep clean. And then this one, if you notice, it is a little bit lighter in the middle section, and that's because we have our welcome mat on top of this one. So you can see that the outer sides get a little bit darker. And this one is a very light rug, so you can see all of the dirt on it. But we're about to fix that, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I am doing is setting out the rug on a clean surface outside in my driveway, and I am wetting the entire rug using the pressure washer because I find that it is easier to work with a wet surface, especially when adding in the laundry detergent. I also found that using Mrs. Meyer's detergent and or dish soap is it works just as well, so those are some alternative options for you as well. And then you just go ahead and wet the rug to create some bubbles, and it is easier to brush. As you can see, I don't brush in one specific direction because I really don't mind little pieces of the cloth coming undone. At the end, when everything is dry, everything kind of just goes back to its place. But if you are worried about that, then just brush in one specific direction and it should be fine. And then just go ahead and remove all of the soap. If you find it difficult like I did to remove all of the soap on the floor, then you can go ahead and hang your rug on something, that way the soap kind of falls off. And then I ended up leaving it on this planter for about 24 hours to dry. And then moving forward to the second rug, I use the exact process as I used for the first rug. This rug though was a lot quicker to clean because it is a woven rug, but it's not as delicate. I'll definitely link down below for you all some options for pressure washers in terms of renting and or buying, so definitely check that out. But if you have a water hose at home and you can get a nozzle that creates some type of pressure for the water, then I think that will work just as perfectly. It might take a little bit of extra time, but it'll get the job done. So that's also an alternative option for you all. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoy this video and get some tips on how to clean your rugs at home, because I know it definitely created a lot of anxiety for me not knowing how to clean them at first because I didn't want to ruin them. But if you use any of these methods, I hope that you are happy with your very clean carpets at the end. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!